Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to change icon sizes on our HUAWEI P60 Pro phone. To do this simple operation, we have to go to the settings here. Next we have to scroll to home screen and wallpaper option. Next, scroll down, home screen settings here. Icon sizes. Here we can make it bigger or smaller, depending on what we want. And our icons are now visibly bigger. We will return to normal. And that's it. Thank you. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.